A three-bench comprising of Justices Chacha Mwita, Lawrence Mugambi and Patricia Nyaundi on Friday reinstated the taxable car allowances for all judges that were scrapped in 2021 by the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, saying the tax allowance benefit for judges is protected under the Constitution and cannot be taken away or varied.
A declaration is hereby issued that the tax for car allowance for purchase of vehicles for private use by judges that existed prior to 12th of July 2021 constituted a benefit payable to and in respect of judges under Article 160 sub-Article 4 of the Constitution and cannot be varied or altered to the disadvantage of judges.
SRC has, however, said it will appeal the decision, saying there was a conflict of interest in the judgment, given that there is a direct financial benefit for the judges in the car grant arrangement.
As a commission, we are committed to uphold the Constitution, and we shall therefore be appealing against the judgment that was made today.
The ruling also stated that the attempts to revoke the taxable car allowance were undermining the judiciary's independence.
It is hereby issued that the Salaries and Remuneration Commission's letter dated 12th July 2021 purporting to revoke the taxable car allowance contravenes Article 160 of the Constitution, is a threat to the independence of the judiciary and is therefore unconstitutional, null and void.
The Lynn Mengich-led commission says that the 10 million grant given to judges every 4 years is meant for the purchase of personal cars, despite the fact that they already have state-maintained and fueled vehicles for official duties.
That amount of 2.5 was later reviewed upwards up to 10 million. And what it means is that every 4 years, a judge then is granted 10 million to buy a personal car, notwithstanding the fact that the judge is actually already given a car paid by the taxpayers with a driver. That car is fueled, it is maintained by the public.
Order is hereby issued compelling the Principal Secretary, National Treasury and Economic Planning to forthwith process, pay and continue to pay the taxable car allowance to judges as and when they falls due.
Mengich says taxpayers will continue to carry the burden of 2.5 billion every 4 years. SRC had requested the judiciary for the case to go through the mediation process instead of the court process, but the request was denied.
We still believe that mediation would have been the better option, rather than going through a process where the other party has a direct financial benefit. So in terms of do we feel that there will be fairness, it's only the outcomes that will tell.
The judges have also ruled that the Constitutional and Human Rights Court had jurisdiction to determine the case on grounds issues raised were constitutional and not employer-employee issues as suggested by the Attorney General. Brian Amuai, K24, Nairobi.